Nagbabala si Senator Jinggoy Estrada na hindi niya dedepensahan ang budget ng Commission on Human Rights hanggat hindi sila tumitindig laban sa abortion sa bansa. Nanganganib ding mauwi sa zero ang kanilang 2024 budget. Nagbabalik si Daniel Manalastas.
Nanganganib na mauwi sa zero o di kaya ay reenacted budget ang budget ng Commission on Human Rights matapos ang umano'y pahayag ng isang opisyal ng CHR hinggil sa pag-decriminalize ng abortion. Yan ang sinabi mismo ng kanilang budget sponsor.
That is possible. Why not? If they do not give me or the Senate a stand on abortion or against abortion, then I have to talk to my colleagues to give them a zero budget. Everything is possible, lalo sa BICAM. Hindi siya mag-operate. Maliwanag. Siguro yung personal services na lang, yung sweldo ng mga tao.
Giit ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada, hindi niya dedepensahan ang budget ng komisyon hanggat hindi ito tumitindig laban sa abortion. Kagabi pinadefer na ng mga senador ang budget ng ahensya.
Perhaps we should abort the deliberation of their budget, Mr. President, so that they would have time to meet up and come up with a solid position.
May I also put on record that this representation, Senate President of the Philippines, is vehemently against abortion.
I do not mind opinions. It is their right, especially on contemporary human rights issues. But as far as abortion is concerned, it is settled in our Philippine Constitution. Article 2, Section 12.
Sa budget deliberations naman ng budget ng Health Department, naungkat ang mga nasayang na COVID-19 vaccines.
The vaccine wastage, or the COVID vaccine wastage is 49,730,000 doses, no? And the reasons for this wastage are expiration beyond shelf life. Napakarami po noon kasi nga yung binanggit ko na 49.7 million doses. Of that, it's 38.54 ang expired or beyond shelf life.
Kinumpirma pa rin ang budget sponsor na may review sa COVID-19 response at sinumite na nila ito sa Office of the Executive Secretary. Daniel Manalastas para sa Bayan.